Welcome to our comprehensive comparison between the TP-Link Archer AX7 and Archer AX55 routers. In this review, we'll analyze four key specifications: wireless performance, security features, hardware components, and software functionalities. Wireless. The Archer AX7 supports Wi-Fi standards with AX1750 speeds, providing 1300 MPs on the 5GHz band and 450 MPs on the 2.4 GHz band. Meanwhile, the Archer AX55 embraces Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering AX3000 speeds with 2402 MUMPs on the 5 GHz band and 570 farad in kind. Both routers feature high-performance antennas and signal boosting technologies for extensive coverage and enhanced signal strength. Security. Both routers offer SPI firewall, access control, IP binding, and application layer gateway. However, the Archer AX55 goes further with Home Shield security features, including real-time IA protection, malicious site blocker, intrusion prevention system, DDoS attack prevention, and home network scanner. Both models support guest networks, VPN server functionalities, and advanced encryption standards for secure wireless communication. Hardware. The Archer AX7 is powered by a Qualcomm QPU and features Onyx Gigabit LAN port and Forks Gigabit LAN ports. On the other hand, the Archer AX55 is equipped with a dual-core CPU, 1X Gigabit LAN port, and Forks Gigabit LAN ports. Additionally, both routers offer US ports for file sharing and media streaming. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IP6 protocols, along with quality of service QoS by device for efficient bandwidth management. The Archer AX55 provides advanced parental controls through Home Shield, offering custom profiles, content filtering, scheduling, and internet pause features. Both models also offer cloud services for firmware upgrades, dynamic DNS support, and various NAT forwarding options. In summary, while the Archer AX7 provides reliable Wi-Fi performance and essential security features, the Archer AX55 offers the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, enhanced security with Home Shield, and additional hardware capabilities like a dual-core QPU. Thank you for watching our comparison review. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay tuned for our next video.